In this video, we demonstrate the use of AI for DevOps workflows using the DuploCloud platform. We will see how users can provide higher-level tasks, and AI agents will accomplish them in real time. The DuploCloud platform has two modules, the Automation Studio and AI Help Desk. The Automation Studio orchestrates your existing infrastructure on behalf of the agents. It has a suite of built-in tools for Kubernetes management, observability, CI/CD, incident management, cost management, security, and so on. It is a centralized MCP server and also exposes these tools as REST APIs and Terraform modules. It provides a framework for DevOps teams to build and test their own agents, fine-tuned to operate against their existing automation tools for their custom workflows. DuploCloud AI Help Desk acts as an interface between users and agents. It is modeled after a help desk experience, where AI agents solve tickets in real time. Users open tickets in the help desk, assign them to their desired agent. You can supervise the AI while it executes commands, peer program with it in an IDE, and visualize various tool web pages in a shared browser screen. In this demo, we will onboard an EKS cluster from our AWS account, deploy an SRE agent specialized in Kubernetes, test it, and finally publish it as one of the AI agents for the end user to use. We will also show glimpses of an observability agent. Let's get started. First, we import an existing AWS EKS cluster into the DuploCloud platform. We need the endpoint for the cluster and access token to a service account. The platform is a full cloud management system, so we can also launch a new cluster and operate in that. We then select a few namespaces from the cluster and map it to what we call in DuploCloud as tenant, or in simple terms, an environment. You see here we imported the order management namespace as a tenant. Once we have done that, we can see the microservices, containers, can access the logs and also run low-level kubectl commands seamlessly. Once we have imported the Kubernetes cluster, let's deploy and test our SRE agent specialized in Kubernetes. We built the agent offline. In fact, we built that agent using Windsurf without writing a single line of code. Imagine using one AI to build another one. The code for the agent is github.com/duplocloud/AI agents, and we have also published our entire prompt exchange between our developer and Windsurf as a reference for you. Next, let's deploy the agent. We switch to an environment called Ops. This is an environment that only agent builders have access to. We have packaged the agent we just built as a Docker image, so we first will register this as a new agent in the system. We then select the image and trigger the deployment. Behind the scenes, the platform will deploy the agent as a microservice in the Kubernetes cluster and expose the agent with a DNS name. Let's quickly validate the endpoint using Postman. Now, let's publish this agent into the AI service desk and test it end-to-end. We give a friendly name, the DNS endpoint that we just got from the deployment, and the URL path where the service desk should send user messages to the agent. We can also scope the agents to a select few tenants where the users will have access to this agent. To test the agent, let's create a troubleshooting ticket and assign it to this agent. You notice that the DuploCloud platform is seamlessly orchestrating the agent with the right context about the Kubernetes cluster, permissions, namespace, and other such low-level DevOps details. You can also see the human is in the loop where the agent is validating from the user before running any commands against the cluster. The user can also run commands on their own in the terminal to assist AI in resolving the ticket. We can have several other agents. For example, DuploCloud's observability agent can help the user troubleshoot application performance issues by navigating the user to the dashboards in Grafana, find the relevant traces, metrics, and logs. Remember that DuploCloud's automation platform comes built in with a comprehensive observability suite, which is enabling this single pane of glass seamless experience. Having said that, you can also publish agents that work with alternate set of tools like Datadog, New Relic, and Kibana. The future of DevOps is not in writing automation scripts, but instead build agents that deliver outcomes in real time. DuploCloud platform has been battle tested in hundreds of organizations, managing thousands of cloud workloads. Whether you are an enterprise with a custom tool set or a small business still getting started, with the DuploCloud AI Suite combined with our professional services, you can supercharge your DevOps with AI.